guys, so that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys liked it. It was inspired by Nikki tutorials and the wigs and makeup manager, both of them. That's like a dynamic duo right there. This, I don't know how long I fast forwarded it in the video, but this took me over 3 hours, and I don't know how many rhinestones are on my face, but I'm gonna feel so bad taking this off. Oh my god. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. And that's it. That's all I have to say. I'm ready to take a nap. If you made it this far into the video, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.